Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to my presentation today, Miss Eka. Before starting our presentation, let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm Farhan and Gali. In the presentation, we are going to discuss about social media. Social media are web-based communication tools that enable people to interact with each other by sharing and consuming information. Yes, it's about definition, but keep in mind that social media is a very broad term. Media mm, example from social media. Social media can be divided into two groups such as social network and message. Social network lights. Social networks and message. Social network like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, message like WhatsApp, FB, Messenger, WeChat. Most active social media platforms. Percentage of internet users who report using its platform. YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram are in the top position. Social media penetration, the number of active social media users compared to total population regardless of age. The UAE population has highest percentage rate in the world, while 59% of Indonesian are active social media users. Because of the way the internet has changed the way we communicate and interact with the another on so many level, it's become necessarily explore to pros and cons of social media and its effects on our society. Social media has several impacts on in our life, including positive impacts will occur if we also use social media wisely. The result we will receive will also be positive result and some positive impacts that we will can be social social networking creates new social connection. Statistics show that 70% of adults have used social media sites to connect with relatives in other states, and 57% of teens have report making friendship on social media site. If you want to about the pros and cons of social media, take a close look at the support group on Facebook. Members of these groups discuss their health condition, share important information and research relevant to their condition while creating strong support networks. Social media as a source of employment. Job sourcing has gone modern thanks to social media. Sites such as LinkedIn are a major resource that 89% of job requests take advantage of when looking to hire potential employees. Now let's take off the cons of social media. Students are doing better in school. This is an interesting statistic about the pros and cons of social media and effect on studying doing well in school. Students with internet access of around 50% have reported using school social networking sites of discuss social schoolwork.
Increased criminal corruption because of social media. The NYC Police Department began using Twitter back in 2011 to track criminal police enough to brag about their crimes online. When the Vancouver Canucks lost the Stanley Cup in 2011, their Vancouver fans took the street and riots. Social media also has a bad impact. If we are not wise in using it, then the result we got from social media will be bad and can have an impact on our life on social media and can also happen in our real lives. Social media and the news. Much of the news information that the people read about comes from social media website, and that figure is is around 2011. this figure ranks just under print newspaper at 28%, greater than radio figure. Too much misinformation. With the advent of the web, people start to create their own website and blogs. Well, many of those blogs were just basic. There's a few of them were about topics like health and politics, while others were how to blogs. Pupils spending too much time on social media sites have lower academic grades. Here is another argument about the pros and cons of social media. Its experience to students. Statistics show the pupils using social media too often than have GPA. Social media sites to blame for lost productivity. Social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter are the right cause for lost productivity at workplace. In a survey, 39 of people cite the social media networking was biggest waste. Social media is the cause for less face-to-face communication. One last discussion about the pros and cons of social media is a lack of one communication. In a 2020 studies, family were report spending less time with another from level of 8%. Cybercrime is easier nowadays, such as data breach, keylogger, phishing, cybercrime, ransomware. Social media is now important and main access to all humans in this world. As a good humans, we must respond to this social media with good things and can take advantage of social media to help our lives become more practical and better. Because of social media, it can be positive things if we make good things on social media without hurting other people on social media. So basically in social media we have to be wise in using it is so that it has got impact in our life and can be useful for others. That is our this is our presentation. Thank you so much for your attention.